How to make poppy seed and walnut strudel. This is a traditional Hungarian pastry made around the holidays. We are going to start with 1 cup of warm milk, and we're going to add to it 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast, and we're going to stir well. Let the yeast rise for about 5 minutes. Using a bread making machine, take 4 cups of all-purpose flour and add the yeast mixture to it. Add half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of butter, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 whole eggs, and start the dough making process with the machine. In the meantime, make the fillings. Place 2 cups of ground poppy seeds into a pot or saucepan and turn on the element to medium heat. Yes, the poppy seeds must be ground. You can do this with a fine food processor or even with a coffee grinder. Add 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup water, 1 cup of sugar, and continue to mix well until all the sugar has dissolved. Then set the mixture aside. Next, prepare the walnut filling. Use 2 cups of ground walnuts, add 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup water, one cup of sugar, and mix well until all the sugar has dissolved. Use medium to low heat, then set the mixture aside. Once the dough has risen, place it on a floured wax paper. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. Take the first piece of dough and roll it out with a floured rolling pin to about 1/4 inch thickness. If you are finding it hard to stretch the dough, let it rest a few minutes. Then keep using the rolling pin until the dough has been shaped into an approximate 15 inch by 10 inch piece. Just prior to using the fillings, you will need to slightly reheat them so that they are easier to spread. Using half of the poppy seed filling, spread it evenly on the stretched dough. Roll it up and seal the ends and edge by using a few drops of water. Place the rolled up dough into the pre-buttered baking dish. Follow the same procedure for the walnut roll, but this time use all of the walnut filling. And finally, repeat the steps for the 3rd roll by using the second half of the poppy seed filling. Brush the rolls with egg white and place the rolls in a warm spot and allow them to rise for about 40 minutes. The dough can be left uncovered. Bake for about 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated 350-degree oven. Allow the rolls to cool and then slice and serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe.